Norwex is leading the way in the clean, green revolution, radically reducing chemicals in the home with superior microfiber and water alone. To get the most use from your cloth, fold it in half, then in half again. When the face gets dingy, refold to a fresh, clean surface. Wipe in even strokes, keeping the cloth flat to collect the most grime and debris. Used dry, Norwex microfiber creates a positive static charge that attracts and holds dirt. When wiped across a surface, the static literally pulls particles and locks them in the crevices instead of just pushing them around. For extra tough jobs, just add water. Grime lifts up and into the damp cloth. No leftover lint, no streaks, just a spotless clean, removing up to 99% of bacteria without hazardous chemicals. Proper care of Norwex microfiber is simple. Between launderings, rinse the cloth under warm water. Remember, the fibers actually hold dirt, so give it a good scrub to agitate and remove the buildup. Wring out the excess water and hang to dry completely. At least 24 hours for backlock to work its self-cleansing magic, inhibiting mold, fungus, and bacterial odors. When it's time to launder, wash microfiber separately or with other lint-free loads using a Norwex laundry detergent. Then toss in the dryer. Don't use bleach, fabric softeners, or dryer sheets with microfiber. These chemical additives coat and clog the fibers, reducing their effectiveness. Norwex microfiber. A clean home, a clean conscience.